Yeah, that's a problem. Yeah, I'm gonna put that back on there. This airflow sensor. Just push down into there. And tap it on. And bolt it down. Somebody's not happy. Chevys that go into closed loop, even if it's able to control. Get a plug wire backwards or something. Okay. Mass airflow sensor. Right there. Grams per second. I think it's closed loop now. We're getting misfires on cylinder 1. Only on cylinder 1. The others might be just... definitely not. I'm gonna look up some data on this thing. Yep, start it up for a second.
For a few.
Yeah, for a second. Let me see and I'll tell you to shut it down.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah. Yeah, you're good. Try it one more time. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, cylinder 1's got a spark.
Okay.
So we'll go to the next step. I'm gonna try to see if I can't smell anything. Like raw gas. Oh yeah, it smells gassy in there. I have to hook a pressure gauge up and see if it's dropping in pressure. We got a drippy injector. I'm really hoping that's not the case, but most likely is. It's not barking on that cylinder. They call it the spider because it, it's got spider fingers and stuff. Injectors connecting to the cylinders right over top of the valve just before it enters the cylinder. Nasty. It's way over full. It does smell like, yeah, definitely needs to be changed. No, it sucks. I'm gonna try to plug off some vacuum lines here to rule out that we're having a vacuum leak, and it's just choking that cylinder out. And where's the main vacuum feed? Yeah, that can be a problem right there. See if, I don't know if you see that down there, vacuum line's off. You're supposed to connect over to this tree. Plugging it up like Frankenstein. I just want to rule out we don't have any vacuum leaks in here. So I've done that one. And I also blocked off the PCV for now. So I'm trying to get it this, make sure that this is not sucking any air, choking the cylinder out. Because the O2 sensor detects excessive oxygen. It'll lean it. It'll richen it up a little bit. What I mean by a little bit is it freaks it out and starts dumping raw fuel into the engine. And I'm gonna rule out the possibility all the way down to a faulty injector, which that's what I'm leaning on. But you're not testing, you're guessing, right? Yeah, Mikey fucking pipes. Alright. Turn that off, it flickers. See how she just stumbling? something's not right. Well, look at an exhaust delete here. Yeah, I can smell it. It don't smell like good gas either, but I don't think it's causing a problem. Well, here's something. I wish I had a fog machine. I'm gonna pop in the live data. I don't know. I'm gonna do clear flood. I'm gonna see how it's trying to ignite the fuel. It should not be injecting any fuel at all. Now she's really not happy. The engine light just illuminated on the dash. I'm gonna run it up to 10 more fuel. Long term's going back up. What's up?
You scanning shit now?
Yeah. Now it's not misfiring.
I need another favor from you.
Now it's starting to right there. But I wonder if it's clearing up. See, that's got a pintle hump.